Welcome back to another video on Bitpay. I'll be showing you how to log in into your account. The first step you want to do is go to the login page, and you'll come to this page. You can log in by your Bitpay card, Bitpay merchant, Bitpay or CoPay wallet. For example, I'm going to click the Bitpay merchant. And you'll come to this page. You have to enter your email address and your password, and you can go ahead and click the login button. So I'm going to end the video right here. To find more information, go to the read codes page. You can read over 150 pages. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned how to log in into Bitpay.